welcome back to Dee's Kitchen. It's me, Dee, and
JT.
So today we're going to cook southern fried po' boy shrimp. So for this recipe, you will need 1 cup of flour. You need salt and pepper, garlic powder, chili powder, onion powder, a pound of shrimp, and a half a cup of milk. So we have the half a cup of milk. We have our shrimp marinating in a half a cup of milk, which we'll explain to you why later. But let's get started. Okay, so first starting off, as I have stated before, we have a half a cup of milk, which I have my shrimp sitting in. So with the half a cup of milk, just have your shrimp sitting in, you know, for a couple of minutes while you prepare your flour or ahead of time. So we're just gonna sit this aside, and you're gonna need 1 cup of flour, and for your 1 cup of flour, you're going to add a half a teaspoon of garlic powder,
You pretty much ain't got no half a teaspoon there.
you're going to add a teaspoon of onion powder, you're going to add a half a teaspoon of chili powder, okay. You want a half a teaspoon of salt, and a half a teaspoon of pepper. And you just want to, you know, mix this together really well. So after you have mixed your flours and your seasonings into your flour, I have my frying pan preheated at I have my eye set on about 6. So just get your eye set on probably about, get the grease to about 375 degrees. So next, I'm just going to strain the milk off of my shrimps. And you want to just toss your shrimps inside the flour.
Oh, yeah.
Give it a good shake, a spin. You want to try to coat them really good. And you want your shrimp to sit in your flour for about several minutes. So I say let it sit for about 10 minutes. Our shrimp has been sitting in our seasoned flour for 10 minutes now. So now we're going to coat them again with the flour and drop them in the oil. So they nice and coated again. So now we're just gonna drop them in our oil. So with these shrimps, they fry really quickly. So it only takes like, about 3 to 4 minutes. Depends on how hot your grease is. So our shrimp's been cooking for about 4 minutes now. As you can see, they're golden brown. So we're just gonna take them up. And we're just gonna drop our next batch in. And we're gonna allow these to cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. So our last batch has cooked for about 4 minutes. So we're just gonna take them up because they're golden brown. So as you can see, our shrimps are golden brown. I hope you guys enjoy our video of our southern fried poke boy shrimps. Please comment, like, and subscribe below. And as always, thanks for watching. Bye.